In our Department of Exercise Science and Sport Management here at Schreiner, we have 3 degree tracks. One of those is fitness and wellness for students who may want to become personal trainers or work in corporate fitness. We have a pre-professional track for students who are interested in going into physical therapy or occupational therapy school. And then we have added in the early 2000s a sport management track for students who are really focused in on the administration of athletics or for working in the front office of a sport organization of some type. In the last 2 years, we've had 100% acceptance into physical therapy school. Some of our former students in sport management have gone on into running events for our large convention centers or sports programs. We have a former student who has worked with the Denver Broncos as well as the Houston Texans. We also have a student working for the Houston Livestock and Rodeo. So really anything that you might want to do with an exercise science or sport management degree, we can prepare you for that here at Schreiner. One thing we have scheduled is a trip to Dallas to visit AT&T Center and network with professionals of the Dallas Cowboys. We are going to host a Special Olympics Unified Field Day in the spring. Finally, we go to the Men's Final Four every year and take a group of students to work the fan engagement activities. So if you want to find a school where you can hide in the corner and not get involved and not be challenged to learn, then go somewhere else. Because at Schreiner, we're going to know who you are, and I'm going to expect the best of you. And not only are we going to give you information and cognitive knowledge that you need about the human body and about sport management, we're going to teach you to be a professional. How do you go be successful in your career after college? Well, it's not just getting a degree. It's preparing the social skills, the leadership skills, and the communication skills to be able to navigate society and to navigate your profession.